front doorstep of my new home in France. I've been here, we arrived Saturday night, it's now Tuesday, so this is the third day here. Still just overwhelmed with how much there is to do, but I'm feeling good today. So that's why I'm filming. I will probably talk with you more after I finish my breakfast, but I'll just show you quickly where I am. This is my house. These are the barns. I will do a tour video at some point. And this is my view of my overgrown garden. It's my car. But the garden is very overgrown, but it's still beautiful. And the birds are chirping, and I'm not sure you can see from down here, but I can see from the upstairs windows, you can hear the crickets so loud. You can see better from the upstairs window, but it's too overgrown to see. But there is mountain views back there. I'll show you those another time. Yeah, just going to enjoy my breakfast. Into a temporary room so that we can actually do the work on my bedroom. I have to move into this room, but it's not ideal. It's a bit gross. It has the potential to be a beautiful room. You can see it's got a nice fireplace. This is actually gonna be a guest room slash library. So you can see it has the potential to be a lovely room, but it's, you know, needs to be painted, and there's a few mouldy patches on the walls and stuff, which I'll save you from seeing. But yeah, I've got the hoover out, and I'm just going to hoover this up, and then hopefully I can make it livable.
Jawline, it's alright, we're alright, yeah. inside of me. Don't be afraid, no, deep inside of me. My cup held up to the sky, collect all the day gone by and the things to come, and cheer in the angels I am. Hey, and those stars bear down on my